Good morning, guys. Welcome to the Cardano overview. We're going to assess three signs in the market. They're either going to be bullish or they're going to be bearish. I'll wait for a second here to reveal that to you guys. But I'm trying to predict, and I think a lot of us are, what are we going to do coming up to the Vasil hard fork? It is officially scheduled. This is final, guys. September 22nd. It is going down. So are you ready? I'm going to show you guys the technical analysis to this, and I'll tell you guys if I think you should buy or not to buy. I've already made my decision. If you guys are members, you know this. So I'll let you guys know what I did. Okay. Before we dive in, I have to show this to you guys. We ended up winning yet another scalping trade yesterday. And I can reveal this because the trade is closed, but it was actually on Mana, Decentraland. We won 3.50%. I have to show this to you guys because it was such a crazy, insane day. I was literally sitting at this computer for 3 hours staring at the chart, and I was like sweating because I was getting so nervous because I was like, this thing's going to drop. So what we ended up doing is we calculated over here. Guys, if you're following us from beginning to where we're currently at, the trades that we've taken in sequential order, we currently have one pending right now, but we've done 440% more than the S&P 500. If you guys are looking at your Roth IRAs, I'm so sorry. Your traditional IRAs, they are down. They are tanking right now. But if you guys are taking some money and you're putting it with us and you're taking our scalping trades, you're doing really, really well. We're actually, little wink, wink, over 600% more than the S&P 500 because we're basing this off 10%, and the S&P 500 is down. I think it's below 15% this morning. So once that trade is closed, we'll end up closing that and we'll add it to the percentage profits here. But we are always calling trades out here. So anybody who joined after that or you're joining right now, we are always going to keep calling trades out. So I just want to say congratulations, guys. Speaking of that, I got to show this to you guys real quick because this was absolutely insane yesterday. And I think you guys will just enjoy this, and we will get into the Cardano Vasil hard fork. I promise, guys. Really quick, literally 15-second update here. We got in over here. That was our entry price for the scalping trade. It went all the way up here. I called out in our episode of Money Making Mondays. It's just for our members. Hey guys, we're looking for this to get up to this resistance right here. We're going to look for a move back down. I'm probably going to call an exit. We waited, guys. I got everybody out on this signal right over here. And this was a 3.5% profit. I'm so glad myself, Jake, and Josh, not to like pat ourselves on the back, but we looked at these charts. We assessed the charts and we said, guys, we need to get everybody out of this. So if we would have held, guys, we would have lost all the profit, literally all of the profits yesterday. We could have been going into the negative, but we looked at this. Again, I know it sounds like arrogant or such, but like this is the dedication I want you guys to know that you're getting. I love you guys. This is something I am passionate about, and we saw this. We were looking at the analysis. We were looking at the 2-hour time frame, looking at sell signals. We got out here. Our community has between $35 to $40 million. So when we call an exit, I was telling Josh and Jake, watch the drop in the market. This is probably going to impact it a lot. So great job, guys, for that. Definitely just get a membership, and I promise you guys, we will be hooking you guys up with the best signals over here. It's just $75 a month, and that's in the description. All right, guys, let's dive into it. I just want to show you guys real quick. $75 a month, all of the trade calls. We are a family over here. Let's make some money going into fourth quarter. Why not make some money going into Christmas, huh? That'd be kind of fun, right? Let's pay attention right now, and let's come back over here. We're going to look at Cardano. What is going to happen as we move into the Vasil hard fork, which is officially scheduled for September 22nd. Let's dive in here, guys. I've got three signs up here, and honestly, I'll say this right now. Looking at price versus money flow, we're sitting at a metric value of 54.9. Let's call it 55. This is actually pretty neutral in the market, so we can't really pull that into the analysis today. But I have three bullish signs. I know, guys, a lot of people are like, people are going to sell the news on Vasil. You know what? They bought the rumor, and they definitely sold the news on the merge for Ethereum. And that happened, but I think we may be seeing a different story for the Vasil hard fork. Let's go over this so you guys are prepared. And at the end of this video, we'll conclude, should we buy in right now or should we not? Because I made a decision yesterday, and I think you guys are probably going to want to follow it after I make this analysis. Number one, guys, undisputed on the charts, guys, we got a buy signal. When you guys see buy signals come out here on the daily, we have never found a better metric to be more accurate than this. This came out from the candle close to wick value high, called a 26% pump. From candle close on this signal here to value high before we move back down, about a 7.26. From here, we're looking at a candle closed value to an exit up here of 13.12%. So first bullish sign, guys, that I truly believe we all need to pay attention to is a buy signal on the top and bottom finder. This by nature is honestly very bullish in the market. Let's go to number two. Number two, we have got what's called an ascending support line, and we've got a third touch. We've got a one touch over here. We've got a two touch over here, consolidation two touch, and then we're looking at this third touch. Why is the third touch so important? You cannot create a line anywhere in life unless you have 2 points. 2 points creates a line. So the place where people look to buy or sell is on the third touch because it is the most predictable, because you can't predict the second value. The second value must be established to then give the trader anticipation of where the third line is going to be hit, the third point of the line will be hit, and then for the move back up. So what we have over here is a third touch of ascending support, and this by nature is very bullish in the market. Okay, let's continue down here. Another sign that I see is trend exhaustion is very low in the market. When this pushes down into the bottom red section here, what I like to do is say, all right, well, how has price action actually acted to this in the past? Did it actually see some lower signs in the market before some moves up? And I would say overall, this is actually a lower point in the market before we saw the market starting to trend back up. Okay, that's interesting. Let's take this look over here. Trend exhaustion low over here. This point over here, however, actually saw a move down and then a move back up. So let's take this into a point of data. Overall, I would say because this is low, I would anticipate more of a move up because of this than a move back down, because we can look at these 2 points, but then when I look over here and say, okay, when it oscillates to the top side, interesting enough, we saw a move down over here. We saw trend exhaustion high over here, and then we saw the move down over here. A lot of whipsaw action is going on, guys, and I don't like using this word a lot, but a lot of it seems like manipulation could be going on, trying to get people caught on the wrong side so people make money on this. So I'll conclude this. I'll show you guys what I'm doing. Trend exhaustion low overall is actually a pretty bullish sign in the market. Okay, here is what I did. Here's the conclusion. I'm going to wrap this up here, and I'll give you guys a massive discount on these indicators. If you guys want to cheat and you guys want to go to the description, you guys will literally, I'll show you how to get 82% off these indicators and 52% off our top and bottom finder. Seriously, craziest edge you'll ever have. Promise you guys. And our account's up because of that. And all of our scalping trades we take with that as well. So we haven't lost a single scalping trade at all. So there you guys go. There's proof for you. Here's the deal, guys. What I ended up doing yesterday, and I called this out to all of our members, is I ended up buying back into crypto very, very strongly. My current account over here, guys, we are now 48% in cash. So this leaves us with about a 52% exposure. We are now more exposed to the market than we are holding on the sidelines. I do believe, guys, Bitcoin being at this very low support level right here, and by the way, I wasn't going to give this away, but we actually got a buy signal on Bitcoin. Hope you guys have this indicator on your charts. You need to be watching this literally every day. Bitcoin down here at a very strong support here. I do believe is going to act in the overall market as a bounce back up here, and we could see some bullishness head back in, which I strongly believe will affect all of your guys' Cardano positions. So although we saw the overall community end up selling the news on the merge, I do think over here we're going to see a little bit, we could see a little bear fake out on the downside, but I do believe overall you guys are actually going to see an overall uptrend here, and we're actually going to probably see a decent move back up once the Vasil hard fork is actually published. I do not see, I'm just going to call this out here, guys. I don't see Cardano, let's say, moving down, let's find some structure lows over here. Let's say the structure low over here about 39 cents. I personally don't see Cardano just dropping out here before. I don't see it dropping out before. I don't see it dropping down all the way over here even after the news is released. I just don't see that. I think if we do see a drop back down, you're going to quickly start seeing this move back up, and you're probably going to target this descending resistance, which is going to leave us at about 47 cents. So guys, I ended up buying in yesterday. So I'm already in the market. I would say overall we're looking at more bullish than bearish. All right, guys, let me do this really quick. I'm going to get you guys into probably the craziest discount you guys will think you could get on this. I'm literally going to give you guys $400 off right now. Here's the deal, guys. Snag our bundle pack today. The trend exhaustion and the price swell money flow, these indicators are amazing. We don't exit or enter trades without looking at them. And by the way, we use this on the mana trade to get out before we hit the top, okay? These two indicators, everybody come over here and snag the bundle pack. You'll get it with the bundle pack. Trend exhaustion, price swell money flow, you guys can see that right here. With the bundle pack, you'll get 9 indicators total, so an extra 7. You guys will get source codes to all of this. It is just a one-time payment. You'll get 82% off the retail value of this. Here's the deal. Buy this today. At checkout, you will literally get a PDF that says surprise gift right after you purchase. It is a 53% off coupon code to give you guys $400 off the top and bottom finder. So once you guys purchase the bundle pack, get that coupon code and simply follow these steps. Go ahead and just click this. It's going to open up the page. You guys can see everything transparently, the reviews and everything, okay? Come over here and click I want this. Enter the coupon code right here, and you will immediately see this give you $400 off the top and bottom finder. I promise you guys, I say this confidently, you will not find another metric in the market that is as accurate as this. We have institutions, we've got whales using this now, and the more people that purchase this, the more accurate it gets, because when buy signals go off, listen, when buy signals go off, more momentum and more money is following this now. I'll show you on Bitcoin. This is going to blow you guys away. Look at the accuracy of the bottoms and the tops called. The bottom was called on Bitcoin over here before we saw a move up in the market. The exact bottom candle was called here before a move up here. It showed us a sell signal over here and the market kept going down. Buy signal called the bottom. An exact top call before Bitcoin moved back down. The exact candle before the Bitcoin moved back down. The exact top candle before Bitcoin moved back down, and the top candle before it moved down. Top candles before the move back down. And we coded in strong buys and strong sells as well. Guys, this is literally going to change your guys' life. An edge is, when I say you guys are going to get a huge edge, I truly do mean that. Actually, here's the thing. I'm going to take this a step further. Let me show you guys how to set up alerts real quick. And you can end the video right here. I know it's getting long for some people, but for those of you guys wanting to look how to set up alerts, watch this. You do this on any pair you want. We'll do this on Cardano, for example. And I would suggest, guys, go down to the 4-hour time frame and set up an alert. Let me just show you guys. Let me sneak you over here real quick. I want you guys to watch the 4-hour time frame because I think we're going to get another buy signal over here, and that's going to be the pump back up. Okay, so let's do this on the 4-hour. Everybody go to Cardano, go to top and bottom finder, go to buy once per bar close, do ADA and buy signal. All right. This is literally going to work for you guys. If you're out, taking care of your kids, you're out grocery shopping, driving your sports cars, whatever you guys are doing, set up alerts on this thing. And so you guys can get alerted. Now we're going to come over here and do ADA strong buy. Okay. And this will give us an alert if we get a buy or a strong buy. If you want to wait on the 4-hour time frame, guys, to look to get into this market when you get a buy signal, it's doing a very, very good job of getting you guys into these markets before we start seeing moves back up. So if you guys want to wait, you can. But I'm telling you right now, I ended up getting in yesterday, and I think getting some money in right now, guys, is not a bad idea at all. All right, guys, God bless you. Have an amazing day. Get literally the highest performing indicator in the crypto market with a $400 discount today. Snag that in the description. I'll see you guys later, and we'll give access to all the indicators today for you guys. I love you guys. God bless you. Let's see what happens here on Vasil, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.